Good morning, friends. Happy Wednesday. Today we are going to be continuing practicing multiplication with standard algorithm, 5 digits by 2 digits. So I'm going to do this one on the video, and I want you guys to go ahead and practice this either on your desk or in your journal, okay? So first, we always have to rewrite it stacked. So we're going to have 6,372 times 24, okay? Same as yesterday, we're just continuing practicing so that we get really good at it in case we ever have to add a 5th digit. So 4 times 2 is 8, 4 times 7 is 28, regroup that 2 up top. 4 times 3 is 12, plus 2 is 14, regroup that 1 up top above the 6. 4 times 6 is 24, plus 1 is 25. Now that we finish with our digit in the ones place, we need to move on to our digit in the tens place. And before we do that, you guys know we always have to add in that magic 0 to hold our place. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 7 is 14. I'm going to cross out that 2 and regroup my 1. 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1 is 7. And I'm going to cross out this one because I don't need it. 2 times 6 is 12. So now I'm going to add up my partial products and write my answer in the top right-hand corner. 8 plus 0 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. I'm going to regroup that 1. 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 1 is 9. 5 plus 7 is 12. Regroup that 1. 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 1 more is 5, and 1 plus nothing is 1. So then we're going to go ahead and count in 3 digits and add our comma, and our answer is 152,928.